Welcome. Today I'm going to make some tortellini carbonara, which is like spaghetti carbonara, but with tortellini. For those unaware what tortellini is, it is a kind of pasta filled with all kinds of stuff. It can be spinach or cheese or meat. In my case, these are filled with ham. And what you want to do is grab 2 handfuls of tortellini and boil them in some hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. While your tortellini is doing its thing, get yourself some bacon. The amounts you use is up to you, and cut everything into small pieces. The bacon we're going to bake in a pan with a little bit of butter on a low fire till it's nice and crispy. While everything is baking and boiling, get yourself a medium egg and separate the white and the yellow from each other. We're going to use the yellow for this recipe. To the yellow of your egg, add some black pepper and some old extra aged cheese. Add cheese to your egg till you think, wow, that is a lot of cheese. And mix it together. Add some water from your now boiled tortellini to the cheese. Add your tortellini to your bacon. And mix in your cheese and egg mixture. Serve in a deep plate with some extra cheese and black pepper. And you have successfully made a tortellini carbonara. There you go. It looks very nice already. Let's see what it tastes like. It's creamy. The bacon gives a nice salty taste. The cheese is very nice. The ripeness of the cheese is a very strong flavor. It adds a lot. You can of course use other cheeses as well, but I like cheese, especially ripe cheese. Very nice. It's a good filling winter meal. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.